Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Sagicor Group Jamaica is reporting improved results for the 6 months to June this year. The group's net profit was $5.7 billion versus $3.5 billion last year. Now, Sagicor's insurance service results improved by 35%. The group notes that the prior year's restated results now include the increases in interest rates and volatility of securities prices on profit or loss. This is as a result of the adaptation of the IFRS 17 accounting standard. Now, from a commercial banking standpoint, Sagicor says a net profit of $1.2 billion was earned compared to $1.21 billion for the same 6-month period last year. It says the segment recorded a 12% increase in revenues due to greater activity on its card payments portfolios and growth in net interest margins by 13%. And still in the banking space, National Commercial Bank Jamaica (NCBJ) says it will increase the number of automated banking machines, ABMs, which can dispense the new polymer banknotes. Daniel Cameron Duncan is NCBJ's vice president in charge of payments and digital channels.
We have 300 ABMs in the fleet that are active and available to customers. Of those, 290 are dispensing the new polymer notes. We have 134 of those machines that are deposit-taking machines. 50% of them today you can deposit the new polymer notes into. We will be upgrading another 45 of those deposit machines by the end of August, bringing us to 108 of 134 machines by the end of August. And then the rest of the machines we expect to complete before the end of the quarter.
Century Aluminum, the new owner of Jamaica, has booked a $103.3 million gain on its acquisition of the alumina refinery. The deal struck in May has been described by Century as a bargain purchase deal, having paid $1 for the loss-making asset. Jamaica converts mined bauxite into alumina, an intermediate product for the manufacture of aluminium, which Century produces at its smelters in the United States and Iceland. The local plant, operating at 80% of capacity, exported $43 million worth of material in the second quarter. Century acquired 55% of Jamaica, replacing Noble Group of Hong Kong as joint venture partner with the government of Jamaica, which holds the remaining 45% through holding company Clarendon Alumina Partners. Now, according to Century's financial results, Jamaica's net assets are estimated at $144.4 million, and Jamaica's stake amounts to $32.8 million. To the foreign currency market now, banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.51. $115.59 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $196.71, while it's costing $173.40 for the euro. The JSE index gained 1,018 points today, while the junior market index lost 63 points. Among the 34 winners were Trans-Jamaican Highway 8% shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, and Caribbean Insurance Brokers, while the 57 losers included Elite Diagnostic, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Portland JSX, JFP Limited, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company. Now, 20 stocks closed today's session at the same price they did on Friday. And that's the end of the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.